Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is microbacterium. Microbacterium is a major human disease. Healthy people problem is associated with the multiple drug resistance. Like transmission of this disease is microbacterium tuberculosis causes disease healthy individual transmitted man to man and airborne droplets infected and it will infected the lungs distributed with the macrophages facultative intracellular pathogens inhibit phagosomes lysosomes and the fusions. Cell immediate immunity tuberculosis is infiltration infiltration macrophages and the lymphocytes and granules and the tuberculosis. For the microbacterium tuberculosis disease, the laboratory diagnosis is the skin testing, which is delayed hypersensitivity, tuberculin protein purified derivatives, X-ray. Positive skin test tuberculosis indicate exposure to organism, does not indicate active disease. Other minor pathogen factors are in tuberculosis is microbacterium, which is sidophore. Code factor is the damaged mitochondria. Laboratory diagnosis of Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the acid fast bacteria sputum. Grow very slowly, 2 weeks or longer, non-pigmented colonies, niacin productions, and the tuberculosis can be identified by the PCR with the rapid diagnosis. Antibiotic treatment is expensive time periods, organism grows slowly or dominant, two or more antibiotics, which is rifampin and the isoniazid, which is resistant minimized. Tuberculosis and the drug resistance is the multiple drug resistance, resistant to first line drug, and the second is extremely drug resistant, which is resistant to some of the second line drug and the nearly untreatable. And the vaccination is BCG vaccination, uh, and in US is the incidence in this low vaccination not practices. Immunize is the interfere with the diagnosis. Leprosy, causative agents, chronic disease, rarely seen in US, common in the Third World War, and the insect the skins in a low temperatures. Microbacterial disease are tuberculosis like the leprosy. Clinical feature is systematic disease lesson with the lepromatous. Antibiotic therapies are selected primarily pulmonary and the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. If Mycobacterium venom involved, other antibiotics included. For the other species, pigmented or not, pigmentation in the light and in the dark, growth fast and slow. Microbacterium species identification is the cellular fatty acid profile, mycolic acid profile, and the genetic markers. So this is all about the microbacterium tuberculosis disease and treatment with the antitoxics and the antibiotics. Thank you.